Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
65-degree air temperature, up about 7 degrees from where we were just 24 hours ago. That due to that southerly component to the east-southeast wind we now have. And our dew point values have responded accordingly. They're up from about 48 degrees yesterday to 62 now. And we are on our way to a dew point, I think, this afternoon close to the 70-degree mark. So what's that mean? Well, the higher the dew point, the more humid the air is and the more uncomfortable a lot of people might think it feels as we head into dew points that are in the 70s. Most everybody would agree that it's humid. Some people might like that. Some people most likely don't, including me. But that is where we are headed, into dew points near 70 by tomorrow. 85 degrees our daytime high temperature by around 3 p.m. this afternoon. Plenty of sunshine around. No rainfall for the period. Say 83 degrees by 7 p.m., 72 by midnight. You'll wake up tomorrow morning with a temperature of about 67 degrees. And again, tomorrow should be rain-free as well. Sunny, higher humidity. That's the name of the game for the next 24 hours as a high-pressure ridge, which has been bringing us fair weather, is pushed out into the Atlantic and causes our winds to shift. Why is it pushed? By a frontal boundary, a trough of low pressure in the upper atmosphere, and its surface reflection, this relatively strong cold front advancing to the east. It'll kick off severe weather in parts of the northern Gulf Coast by tomorrow. And some of that severe weather may move into our area as we head into Sunday and that front approaches the state of Florida. High pressure brings us that southerly wind flow, increasing humidity not only today, but especially tomorrow. You'll feel a real spike in humidity tomorrow afternoon. Sunny, higher humidity, stormy on Sunday, and then cooler next week as that front moves through, significantly cooler. Here's the forecast. Through today, it looks pretty good. I don't really see much of a problem for today. Maybe a few fair weather clouds in inland areas, but other than that, lots of sunshine around today. Now, tomorrow, we stay rain-free, but as we head into tomorrow evening, we start to cloud up just a little bit. Then on Sunday, we'll watch that frontal boundary approach, especially in the second half of the day into the evening. And some of the storms, as I mentioned, could contain gusty winds, even damaging winds. So we are looking at the potential for severe weather, which means wind gusts in excess of 50, 60 miles an hour across the region, as well as the potential for some hail and some small isolated tornadoes, though tornadoes is a much lower threat than just the gusty winds. Here's the severe storm outlook from the Severe Storm Prediction Center. Today, a bullseye of severe weather in parts of the deep south and into the heartland. Then tomorrow, solidly in the mid-south, moving into the Atlanta region later in the day, could be airport delays because of severe weather near Atlanta. Then on Sunday, that severe weather threat moves into Florida and includes our area with a slight risk currently of severe weather. That's not the lowest risk, but it is not the highest risk either. That may be refined, and our chance of severe weather may be going up as we get closer to Sunday and that forecast is tweaked. So a 7-day forecast calls for 85 degrees for today. Tomorrow, 85 degrees. Should be a nice day tomorrow, just a little bit more humid. And then as we head into Sunday, boaters, take caution. You'll start off the day without much of a stormy feel to the air, but the winds will be picking up. So it won't be a good boating day on Sunday. And then in the afternoon and into the evening, we could see some severe weather. It's a first alert weather day. As the front moves through, we cool off. Check out Monday's temperature, 68 degrees, about 12 degrees below the average for this time of year. And in fact, the rest of next work week looks beautiful.